Hey guys, I'm Rachel Jacques and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are a returning subscriber or viewer. For today, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me and my twin newborn daughters. So yeah, you guys join us today and let's get ready. So pretty much every day our routine is I get them ready first because it's just so much easier to get them out the way and have them together before I am. So yeah, pretty much get them out of their beds and get them together. And as y'all can see, they do not want to sleep separately. Like literally, y'all, I have 2 beds for them and they cannot stand sleeping separately. And it's so much easier if I put their stuff out before I, get them together. So I pretty much put their diapers on the bed, their wipes, and their outfit that I chose for them to wear for the day. And if you guys were wondering, my baby's names are Stormy and Sky. That's Sky that won't let go of my hair. And before I put them into their clothes, of course, I'm going to change their diapers. And today I'm putting on a white romper from Dillard's on them, and it's so cute. I love the way it fits on them. It literally looks like they're getting christened because it's so dressy. I love getting all their little dressy outfits from Dillard's. But literally like 15 minutes into me recording this, like after this part, Stormy got her outfit all wet, so they did not wear this today, by the way. So yeah, I had to change them out of this. But if you guys were wondering where this was from, it's from Dillard's. And once I have them together, it's time to get me together. And as you guys can see, Stormy was not having it and Sky was laughing. And now I'm going to put them in their comfortable little lounge chair. I love this thing because they love it so much. You can tell they really enjoy laying in it. They even watch TV in it. So yeah, if you guys were wondering where I got it from, I will link it down below. And after I finally have them all together, it's time to get me together. So the first thing I'm going to do is my makeup, and I'm going to moisturize my skin first with this Equate Beauty moisturizer, and this is a day and night cream. And next I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with this Bambi Eye mascara. You guys, I just like filling in my eyebrows so much more with mascara. I mean, this is probably not the best way of doing it, but it's the best way for me. So much easier. It looks so much natural, in my opinion, than using a pencil. And of course, one of them always has to cut up while I'm getting ready, but that was just Stormy. But now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to be shaping up my eyebrows, and then I'm going to blend them out. And just for a more natural eyebrow look, I'm stroking up my eyebrows with this spoolie brush. And now it's time to conceal, and I just go under my eyes, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my nose, my chin, and underneath my cheeks. And again, I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And of course, I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. And guys, I'm going to put y'all onto some game real quick. Apply your contour before you do your foundation. It works so much easier. In my opinion, my makeup goes by so much quicker and easier now, and I just feel like it looks so much better by contouring before I apply my foundation. And to contour, I'm just using my Morphe contour palette. And now I'm going to apply my foundation, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Super Coverage, and this is in the shade Mahogany. And you guys, I love, love, love this foundation so much. It's my go-to. It's pretty much the only foundation I've been using for the past 2 years. So now it's time to bake, you guys, and I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution baking powder, and this is in the shade Banana Deep. And I'm just blending that out with this Morphe fan brush. And the highlight I'm going to be using today is the colors Rose Shuck and Magic from the Fetish Kat Von D palette. So I'm just going to go in with that Bambi Eye Mascara one more time and apply it to my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do my lips before I do my lashes. And I'm going to first line my lips with the darkest brown in my Morphe Contour palette. And I'm using my Tom Ford detail brush to blend that out. And for a nice nude color, I'm going to apply my L'Oreal Matte Lip Gloss. And this is in the color Empower. And now I'm going to apply my lashes, and these aren't any special type of lashes, you guys. I just buy them by the pack off Amazon. I'll link them down below. And after blending my false lashes with the real ones, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution setting spray and spray that on my face like so. And I'm just going to go in the bathroom and check my makeup real quick. Make sure that my face is matching my neck. And when it does, I'm just going to go put my outfit on for the day. If you guys didn't watch my first video, I purchased this outfit from Shein. It was about $11. It was very inexpensive. I will link that video down below. And now that I'm all ready, it's time for me to go get my babies and put them in their stroller. It was so pretty today. It was 78 degrees outside, so I thought this was a perfect thing to do, especially while in quarantine. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with us. If you want to see more videos like this, just comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.